How airbags save lives. Have you ever wondered how airbags protect us in a car accident? Let's take a closer look. When a car crashes, sensors in the vehicle detect the impact. These sensors trigger the deployment of airbags. Inside the airbag module, an inflator rapidly fills the bag with gas. The inflated airbag acts as a cushion, preventing your body from hitting the steering wheel, dashboard, or windshield. There are different types of airbags, including frontal, side, and curtain airbag. Remember, airbags work best when you're wearing your seatbelt. So, the next time you're on the road, appreciate the technology that helps keep you safe. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.